Hello folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at another beautiful trailer. This one pre-owned again, just like yesterday, except yesterday we went big and today we are going small. So today we are looking at a 2016 Starcraft Launch Hybrid. And boy, do I love a lot of things about this trailer, so let's get right into it. Thing number one I love about this trailer, something small, lightweight like this, you're going to want to be able to take it to a bunch of different places, and you may want to camp in some spots that don't have any spot to plug in. You want to be able to get away for a couple days. This camper is solar ready, so you've got a solar line right on the side of the trailer. Get yourself a nice little solar kit as an add-on. Carry it with you when you go camping, and you have the ability to camp off the grid and get yourself some power into that battery so you can keep everything running while you're away. Love that. Thing two I love about this trailer, you're going to be wanting to tow this. You're going to have an option to tow it because you're under 3,000 pounds. Tow it with your Jeep, tow it with your light truck, tow it with your minivan. Select SUVs will certainly tow this as well, so you've got some options. That nice lightweight really gives you the ability to tow it with multiple vehicles and bring it into all the more places as a result. Thing three I love about this trailer, let's look inside. I mean, people say hybrids, oh geez, what am I missing out on by getting into a hybrid? Well, I can tell you in this one, you're not missing out on anything, because thing three I love about this is it's full of features. You've got heat, you've got a furnace built into this one, you've got a fridge built into this one, you've got an air conditioner built into this one, you've got an entertainment center, a spot for a TV. Over here in the kitchen, you've got a 2-burner cooktop, you've got hot and cold running water, you've got a range over top that will vent everything while you're cooking, you've got a microwave, and look at all this storage. So even though you're in a 16-foot trailer, you've still got all kinds of features to enjoy your camping experience. You're really not missing out on anything that the bigger trailers don't have at all. So we love that about the trailer as well. Thing four we love about this trailer is an enclosed bathroom. A lot of hybrid campers, you'll have that open concept bathroom where you might be able to go inside to do some of your business, but you got to come outside to wash your hands. No one likes that. So in this unit, you have the benefit of an enclosed bathroom. Everything in one spot. You've got a foot flush toilet, a corner shower, you've got a sink there, as well as a mirror over top to make sure everything looks pretty. A little bit of storage underneath, but you can get in there, shut the door, and have a little bit of privacy. And we love that about this 16-foot hybrid. To have that enclosed bathroom is a real treat. Thing five we love about this trailer is it is quite spacious. Take a look at the bunk at the back here. And this is the smaller of the two bunks, so room here for two. Up at the front of the trailer, we've got another even bigger bunk. So room for two, maybe three. If kids are having a sleepover, you can certainly throw someone else on there as well. Stepping back here, you see the nice dinette table. That will drop down. You can use those cushions to Tetris yourself up another living space. You might be able to fit a kid and a half on there as well. So lots of space for people to sleep and stay over. So you can really pull this with your minivan. You might want to bring along 6 of you all together. You've got room for everybody to sleep. Got a spot over here, a nice comfortable bench to sit in, so you can have that comfortable inside social experience as well while you're camping. A couple of cool little features here too. We've got a couple of cubby holes here. Again, we talked about the storage. We've got a little storage spot up here. So there are some storage functions as well, so you can bring along 6 people, and again, quite spacious for a 16-foot trailer. You've got all kinds of options. So today we've been looking at a 16RB, a 2016 Starcraft, and we love it. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales, our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam Sis. This has been 5 things I love about this trailer. Come on down and see us. We'll get you ready to camp for the May long weekend. Looking forward to seeing you.